Check first if there is a common factor for all the terms in the polynomial. In this case, 224, 56, negative 84, and negative 21 are all divisible by 7. The variables a, c, y, and z are not common to all of the terms. Now, divide each term by the common factor 7. The second factor here is factorable by grouping. Identify which two pairs have a common factor and pair them. Now factor each pair. Notice that these two sets have a common factor of 4z plus c. To find the remaining factor, divide each set by the common binomial factor 4z plus c. Now, clean this up by removing the unnecessary grouping symbols. This time, let us pair the terms differently. Write the polynomial by putting the paired terms beside each other. Let us now factor each pair. notice that these two sets of factors have a common binomial factor of 8a minus 3y. To find the remaining factor, divide each set by the common binomial factor 8a minus 3y. Now clean up by removing unnecessary grouping symbols. See that the final answer here is the same as the answer earlier in the previous method.
So learners, what would you like to learn next? Comment below.